next in our series is throttle. I've got a centrifugal clutch on the motor, but it doesn't do me much good if I can't throttle it back remotely. So what I'm doing, I'm making a remote throttle to go on the motor that I have on the sawmill. Basically what I've done is I've stripped out the hand throttle. I've got a 1-inch actuator. I like this because it's got micro switches on each end. It'll stop itself when it goes 1 inch in either direction. I've made a bracket for it, and basically this is going to set in here, and I'm going to drill a hole in the end, put a tightener screw in it, and put the cable in here, and it's got some adjustment on the cable, and this will pull the cable out 1 inch, and that's exactly what it needs. I've measured it to go from idle to full throttle. And I'll have the normal adjustment that came with it here. This will set right on the side of the engine, hooked up to a switch. It should idle itself back. When I push the switch, it should go ahead and pull it up. I've set up here my old Bridgeport. I'm going to drill a couple holes. I'll get it mounted, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I've got the throttle control installed. Basically, I've kept the integrity of the old throttle control in case something goes wrong and I have to use it. I can put it back fairly easily to what it was. I'll show you it works. That's right now at idle. That's wide open. That's back to idle. I'm going to start it up and show you how it works. This is the wrong switch. What I need to have is a momentary as it opens, so I can stop it wherever I want, and then I'll have so I can just hit it and bring it back to idle. I don't happen to have any of those switches. They certainly do make them, and I'm certainly going to get one. So let's go ahead and start it up and see if it works. And there we're in idle. You see that the blade is not moving, so you can see that. So obviously this is just temporary. When I have my control box, this will all be mounted in the control, so if I go to the other end and I want to idle it back, I can. And that's going to work really good. I'm kind of happy with that.